Simply 2 presents how to speak with confidence. If you have trouble speaking confidently or speaking with confidence, then this video is going to be perfect for you. In this video, I'll give you all the tips and tricks you need to know to start speaking confidently. Without any further ado, let's get straight into it. 1. Slow down. Sometimes people talk way too fast. If you want to talk with confidence, then you should talk slower. The more nervous we are, the faster we talk. Practice talking slower at a more calming and relaxed pace. Speaking slower gives the impression that you're in control. 2. Know when to start speaking. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is that they rush into a conversation to start speaking before the other person is done. It makes them sound way too eager to start talking. And even worse, it makes the person that was talking feel like they weren't even being heard. A good practice is to start speaking seconds after the person is done speaking. 3. Eliminate filler words. You know the words that you say when you're thinking of what to say next? For example, like, These words are used to take up space. These words also make you sound uncertain. If you want to speak with confidence, then eliminate those filler words completely. Instead, when you're trying to think of something, just pause. Don't say anything. 4. Don't speak too loud. People sometimes confuse speaking with confidence with speaking loudly. While speaking loudly to be heard is important, your cadence is also. That's basically the rhythm of your voice. Try to keep your voice even, not just speaking in loud bursts. Maintaining an even voice is a surefire way to speak with confidence. 5. Add authority to your voice. Sometimes people are unsure of something, so at the end of the sentence, it automatically goes up in a question. You see this in statements as well. If you want to add authority to your voice, make sure to end your sentences by lowering your pitch. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I hope the short 2-minute video helped you speak with confidence. If it did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!